magbigay lang ng vision ng walang takot dun sa ejector ng isang Johead. Pero last pick dito ng Falcons 80 Bren, it will be X-Borg. Ikaw, Oblivion, anong thoughts mo dito sa X-Borg pick na ni Flap TZ?
Well, X-Borg is gonna be matching up with
Terizla
eh. So somehow even yung magiging match-up natin dito. I think magandang match-up to sa laning, pero mas maganda yung mga...
Gusto ko lang sabihin na I found this detail very cute. Wala siyang, hindi to analysis but ang cute kasi si Johead tsaka si X-Borg, pareha silang color blue, pareha silang mechanic. So wala lang, naaliw lang ako. Pero anyway, that's Nibina jump in agad immediately by Team Spirit. Nako pa few, very low height Aurora pa yan. Very squishy nga naman pag early game. A close first blood but not quite close enough kasi nakapag-rotate pa din naman palapit sa turret ang Falcons AP Bren.
Almost an early kill para sa side ng Team Spirit. Pero ito kasi yung madalas ginagawa ng mga Aurora players. As much as possible, ipopoke lang yan yung kabilang team and willing siyang makipag-poke doon kasi meron siyang passive dito. Pero teka lang, ejector naman. Sunset Lover will be taken down. That's gonna be the first blood agad-agad. 1 minute, 1 kill para sa side ng FCAP.
Ganun lang kabilis yun. To everyone watching, yung skill na ginamit ni Few to secure that first blood is actually called Frosty Breeze.
Ayun.
That's very crucial kasi pag early game, that's so much burst, so much damage. Pero one hero na we did not see sa draft actually is yung Shushin ni Sarhead. But that is a Grok na masakit nga naman talaga or sturdy ang isang bato dito.
Oh, masakit tapos medyo masakit pa. Pero Kyle TZ tries to go in with a quad shadow. Pero kasi medyo delicate din yung positioning, medyo maraming target. Meanwhile, Ogwen, asama for sabay ejector na lang din and it's gonna be another for the side of FCAP. Meanwhile, Kid Bomba, susubok bumamba dito with that penalty zone but it's not gonna be enough as well. Sunset Lover maiiwan sa gitna, a double for Kyle TZ this time.
Kung mapapansin mo doon, si Kid Bomba, inintay niya na mag-initiate si Ogwen, even using the flicker para makapag-initiate. There was 1 kill, good attempt sa penalty zone. Kaso ang nangyari, Kyle TZ, jumping out naman, meron pa tayo fire stakes available, tsaka last insanity kay Flap TZ, but still, wala pang full-on commitment ang Falcons AP Bren. Pero kasi jumping coming in from Ogwen as well. Wala kang labas ngayon, pero okay lang kasi may lantern pa dito. That will be Kyle TZ, very confidently papasok. Killing spree, agad-agad sa Ninja, 5 minutes in.
5 minutes in, 3 agad ang kills dito ni Kyle TZ. Mainit ang mga talim. And meanwhile, dito sa may bot side, nako, si Sawo yata ang kanila magiging target.
Ayun.
Nako, eto na nga, naglapag na ng Zaman Force. Ogwen is on the area as well, absorbing the damage coming from the turret. Pero Kyle TZ goes in. Super Marco ang secure ng kill na yun. Kaso nga lang napabalik nung Lampara. The damage might be enough. May shield pa nga. At nandito na ulit ang tropang FCAP. Though the kill will be taken by Sunset Lover. Hindi pwedeng walang kapalit ang sabi ng Falcons AP Bren.
Worth it ang trade na yon kasi 2-1 trade. Sure, Super Marco, namatay siya. Pero ang mahalaga, ang 4-0 ni Kyle TZ, unstoppable, untouchable pa rin talaga dito. I have to say, good juggle yon for Falcons AP Bren. But let's not be too biased, okay? Nakikita ko naman dito ang Team Spirit. They're doing their best na sumabay. Unpopular opinion, sometimes kasi pag hindi ka sumasabay, it's gonna work really well for you. Pero ayun lamang, jumping in straight from the Hidden Leaf Village. Biglang kill going over to Kyle TZ, 5-0-1. May retry pa siya if ever they want to prep para sa ating next objective.
Kyle TZ right now, 5-0-1 nga. And nahihirapan actually yung Team Spirit ngayon kasi yung mga pick-offs, isa-isang kinukuha and nagsa-stack up din kasi yung Sky Piercer dito ni Kyle TZ. So that's gonna be a problem later on. But now, tingnan natin, madadagdagan ba ang problema ng Team Spirit as Ogwen will be caught in with that Spear of Destruction, pero naglapag naman ng Zaman Force si Super Marco. Susubok sa iwan ng mga members ng Team Spirit sa wall, almost being taken down. Pero kasi ang dami ring kalaban dun ni Super Marco. Meanwhile, topside Kid Bomba, naku na, maso nga lang si Flap TZ, 2-man down right now. Pero nandito naman si Kyle to the rescue para kuhain si Kid Bomba.
The K in kill stands for Kyle TZ, kaya ganun kabilis ang kanyang galaw. And ang gandang 1v1 na imagine, Terizla, tinatalunan mo lang dito ang X-Bar. But that's okay, si Flap TZ naman niya. Pero again, you have the Lantern Flare connecting onto one. Yun ako pa, napakadami damage kinukuha dito. At the backline daw, Super Marco na Zaman Force. Pero syempre, Ogwen pa din, getting the kill over to Shushin. Pero Sawo, lumapit ka lang na wala ka pa dito. 3 and 10 now on the board so far. Falcons AP Bren is on a roll. Connecting onto the mid lane take pa dito. At syempre, penalty zone connecting onto one. Pero Super Marco nga naman yan. Here comes Flap TZ with all those fire jumping in. Last Insanity, syempre, hindi mo malisisi yan. Backline pa dito. Nakuha si Kid Bomba. Few bout na lang. Falcons AP Bren, they get that victory.
A victory for the side of Falcons AP Bren after that team fight. Talagang medyo
turret and then rotate ka. So ayun naman, napakadaming tao dito. Pero Stun connecting onto 2 backline. Syempre dito, pero the kill going over to one shot. The one shot nga ata dito. Ang ating few, ang idol ng mga kids. But ang mahalaga, pagkakuha ng isa, Team Spirit, let's not force another fight. Mag-lord na lang tayo. Medyo squishy ang lord dito. But remember, Kyle TZ, meron pa siyang retry. Owen does give their team the vision. Meron pa tayong hindi pinapasok ni Sawo ang mga Falcons AP Bren dito. Kyle TZ, now God like si Moskov ang nakuha. Pero syempre, Flap TZ again trying to push Sunset Lover back. But ngayon, with that chase, Kid Bomba, napakatapang, gets the kill onto Kyle TZ. Napakadaming gold niya. Pero ka Flap TZ, to save his other half ng TZ Brothers, kinuha naman si Kid Bomba.
Grabe ang palitan dito sa game number 1. Ang init ng parehong teams. Falcons AP Bren, hindi pumapayag na walang kapalit. Pero ngayon, ang tanong, kanino nga ba mapupunta tong Lord? Kasi Falcons AP Bren, bagsak si Kyle TZ. Medyo mahirapan silang i-contest to. Pero Few is on the area. Flap TZ, Super Marco, and Ogwen is on their way as well. Ang ganda nung ginawa nila doon na pinigilan man lang nila dito. Pero Ogwen goes in with the ejector. Talagang si Sunset Lover yung kanyang magiging target. Pero medyo malayo lang yung mga tropang F-Cup natin. Medyo kulang para sa side ng Falcons AP Bren. Ogwen ang naging sacrificial lamb para sa teamfight na yon.
Alam mo, naisip ko doon, yes, medyo overcommit, but maybe, just maybe, buy time yun para makalapit si Kyle TZ, penalty zone connecting onto the. Pero si Few yan on this Aurora, being able to use the flicker para makapagmaba. Pero here comes Kyle TZ, lapit kasi si one shot pala ang nakakuha pa rin. Good attempt coming in from Kyle TZ, pero nakapag last Insanity connecting onto one para hindi naman makakuha ng further kills ang Team Spirit. Safe to say, Team Spirit, they slowly have a say ngayon sa mga objective
ng F-Cup.
Defense. May Lord naman yan. Sure, kayang i-meltdown ni Super Marco. Pero syempre sasama ang ibang members ng Team Spirit. Last Insanity nandito na nga. Pero syempre mga time penalty zone na wala nga lang follow-up. Ayun lang. Sunset Lover the backline. May nahila na isa with that Lantern Flare. Pero syempre Falcons AP Bren, wala pa din na mamatay sa kanila. Kahit ang daming commitment sa bot lane. Si Kyle TZ, umiikot-ikot lang dito sa ating medyo mid lane. Ultimate is available for the shadow kill. One shot nandyan. Sawo does try to face check. Pero nakapo, Kyle TZ, focus lang sa isang target dito. Ogwen with the ejector again. Baka may Zaman Force coming in dito from Super Marco. Killing speed going over to one shot. Pero mukhang siya ang one shot dito ng ating Harith. The nonchalant player ng Pilipinas. Super Marco at your service, mga kaibigan. Charging to the mid lane. Falcons AP Bren, they see blood, they smell blood, and they want more.
They want more. Yan ang call nila dito. At yung Tori nga yung papabagsakin ng F-Cap. Though Flap TZ's ultimate will be forced out sa pagkakataon na yun. Still, that's a win, if I may say, para dito side ng F-Cap. Ang ganda nung pasok nila doon. Dalawa yung nahuli sa side ng Team Spirit at isa lang yung naging kapalit ng F-Cap. Plus, yung Tore, yung map control, yun yung magandang nakuha dito ng F-Cap.
I like how you mentioned yung third takedown. 2 to 4 ang number natin. Tas roughly, may 5k gold lead ang Falcons AP Bren. Saan ba yun nanggaling? Number 1, sa amount of kills na Falcons AP Bren got. Medyo, hindi pala medyo, nakakalamang talaga. Almost twice as much, more than twice as much ng number of kills ng Team Spirit dito. And kung gaano kabilis din kasi nakiklear ni Kyle TZ ang neutral jungle creeps. Tapos syempre, may pa tayong gold coming in from their turret takedowns. Pero ngayon, kumakapal na yung shield ng Harith, men. Naaalala mo, nung bagong labas pa lang si Harith, yung buong buhay niya puti.
Puti lahat yan Pero teka lang, mukhang mamumuti yata dito si Kid Bomba dahil papaliguan ng mga skills ng F-Cap. Mega kill na dito si Super Marco.
Na syempre, that's gonna be a lot of space and damage all in favor of Super Marco. Ultimate has been committed, pero I think worth it yon kasi 21 seconds, walang penalty zone. If we're gonna do the math, enough yan para mag-charge sila or mag-clear sila sa bot lane, which Kyle TZ is doing right now. At most likely, si Few naman, mag-clear or kukuha siya, magnanakaw siya ng mga resources sa top lane ng Team Spirit. Habang si Flap TZ, na by the way, gamit niya yung kanyang signature stake Flicker, yung nakataas yung kamay. Nanggugulo lang dito sa ating mid lane. Right on cue, they have their eyes set on the buff. Kaso mukhang nakikipag-contest pa din ang Team Spirit. Now, that's gonna be the Lantern being set as well. Pero si FlapTZ, may immortality yan, mga kaibigan. Again, last insanity dito. Looking at the back line. Sunset Lover na nawala dito. But Kyle TZ, again, with all that damage, ang nangyari, that was a 2-0 trade. Maybe 3 kung tatapangan ni Ogwen, but still in favor of Falcons AT Bren. Si one shot could not do anything on this Roger. Kahit sabihin mo na meron siyang open fire, kahit mag-Lycan pounce pa siya, kumukunat din kasi yung frontliner ng Falcons AT Bren.
Definitely hindi ganun kasakit yung mga binibigyan nilang patama dito. Pero teka lang, last insanity na naman dito kay FlapTZ. Though mukhang leeway lang yun para sa FK para kumuha ng Torres sa may bandang ibaba. And with all that happening sa may bot side, yung Lord natin na secure na rin dito ng FK.
Ganun kabilis. Di ba nga napag-usapan ng panel natin to? If you're busy defending yung turret mo, most likely yung turtle or yung Lord kinuha na ng Falcons AP Bren. In the blink of an eye, ang daming nakiklear ng Falcons AP Bren, which I think yun din kasi ang strength ng lineup nila. FlapTZ can access yung backline with last insanity, kaya naka-immortality siya. Ogwen, unstoppable force plus ejector para most likely ma-displace si One Shot or si Sunset Lover kasi si Hiko way back in the backline na yan. Pero syempre, Few again looking for his next possible target. Kyle TZ at the backline. Nakatingin dito kay One Shot. Pero again, FlapTZ with the beautiful last insanity. Few gets a turret. At baka si Sunset Lover goes 6 feet underground. Meron pa tayo sa mga force dito. All of those damage connecting sa base dito ng Team Spirit. Sabi nga ng partner ko dito. And the ball. And with that, ang
Lancelot, Alpha, Benedetta!
Oh, yan na nga. Wow, a kind of sustain type.
Ginamit to ng Mad Bulls.
Oo!
Pero
nakita naman, obviously naman, di ba, gumana?
Hindi gana rin kasi sa lineup ng Team Spirit. Penalty zone, tapos may panghuli si Sunset Lover, and even yung wall charge, kayang inigate nung an eye for an eye.
Like, kahit agawin pa ng Team Spirit, yung hero ni Kyle TZ, feeling ko Falcons AP Bren can still make things happen. But for now, gusto ko din sabihin na from X-Borg, naging Edith ang pick-up na dito. Now, we know Edith for the Earth Shatter, but remember, meron pa siyang Divine Retribution, which works well sa mga choke points dito sa ating mapa. At syempre, I think good soft counter yan dun sa Lantern Flare ni Shushin. Kasi di ba, pag may hinila ka ng Lantern, ilalapag mo somewhere. Pwede mo din doon ilagay yung Divine Retribution mo. So it's all of these little things na make the macro happen. Pero naku po, nasi-rejected kami from Kyle TZ na naman. Tinanggalan nyo nga siya ng ninja. Binigyan nyo naman ng ano ba tawag, ng ano
parang
yung sa scout, yung sa Attack on Titan.
Pero teka lang, one shot yata ang unang mabibigyan of Falcons AP Bren once again with the first blood. But I don't think they are done. Sawo is actually low para sa mid lane. Nagkakakulitan din yung mga teams natin dito. Another first blood para sa side ng Falcons AP Bren. Another might be taken. Pero talagang mainit. Grabe yung ginagawa dito ng Falcons AP Bren. Early game pa lang, talagang sumusubok na kung kaya ba nilang tapatan dito yung Team Spirit.
And I think Falcons AP Bren, yung draft tsaka yung game nila revolves around Kyle TZ. Now, he has Benedetta, iPhone I, Electro Final Blow. Alam niyo na yung combo niyan, guys. I think nakadependo sa dapat kasi mapa-snowball mo agad yung Benedetta and let Super Marco or let Harith do his thing. Habang si Few naman, di ka bigay vision. Tapos si Ogwen kasi may flicker pa, wala na access talaga yung backline niya pag ganyan eh.
Yun ang mahirap yung pick-off potential present. Pero yung team fight talagang mas present para dito sa side ng Falcons AP Bren. Yung AoE damage sa kanila, kung titingnan natin, malawak din. So yung Frigid Glacier, Electro Final Blow combo na pwede nilang iba to, pwede nating makita yan later on sa mga team fights. Pero for now, Turtle is the target ng mga teams natin dito. Few and Ogwen ang nandito sa area na to as FlapTZ is on his way as well. Naku, mukhang ibabato na pero may penalty zone din sa may bandang likod. Few ang kanilang magiging target pero nahati yata yung teamfight natin. A steal coming from side of Falcons AP Bren. Yung SOD tatama pero yung TP nandun na ba? Wala pa rin. One shot. Naku, mukhang kukuha pa dito ng kill. Kid Bomba against 3. So Wise on the area as well at init siya na lang dun sa may tore.
Alam mo, I'd like to think na calculated yung ejector ni Ogwen do. Now, you guys saw yung Spear of Destruction ni Hiko kanina, di ba? Dapat papasok siya sa team fight. Pero bakit hindi niya nagawa yun? Kasi meron ngang Super Marco doon, making sure na hindi makakaalis si Moskov. So even if meron kang global presence, anong gagawin mo sa presence mo kung ginugulo ka din naman ng katapat mo? Ay, sorry, sabi ko nga pala sa comments, game 3 ako magbabayas kas. Kalmahan lang pala natin, guys.
Wait
Ngayon,
lang daw.
Chin lang, let me cook, let me cook. 1 and 3 now on the board. May roughly 1.3k gold lead favoring ang Falcons AP brand dito. Ay na naman tayo sa mga palamig ni Few eh.
Sakit
Dati
agad.
atang Elsa to eh.
Oo, man. Parang eto yung mga palamig na binabato dito ni Few. Eh, nahihirapan, naninigas lalo yung bato. Nahihirapan gumalaw eh. Pero naku, sino nga ang kanila magiging target? Ogwen will be. May Frigid Glacier naman na magiging sagot. Pero naku, eto na ang bawi ni Ogwen. Initcha dun sa may torre. Pero initcha rin siya pabalik. That's gonna be a kill from Team Spirit. Pero may yelo-yelo na naman na manggagaling kay El Capitan. A kill for a kill. Pero hindi pa rin tapos. One shot ngayon. Naku, ang sakit na ni Kyle TZ. 3-0 agad. 3 minute going into 4 minute mark pa lang ng game natin.
A kill for a kill works well sa eye for an eye dito ni Kyle TZ. 3-0. Napanood ko na to, men.
Oo.
Game number 1. Ganun din ang start ng player natin dito.
Hiko.
Pero si Hiko na ang naging target dito. With that mega kill going over to Kyle TZ. Ganun lang kaswabe. I honestly think na mali yung ginawa ni One Shot kanina. Bakit ka mag-ultimate sa isang Jawhead? I mean, sure na finish off naman yung kill, but the idea is you'd want to pop your shadow kill towards Few or towards kay Kyle TZ. So I think masyado nag-iinit ang team spirit natin dito. Yung spirit nila kung saan na pumupunta.
Nako, tingnan natin ngayon kung saan nga ba sila dadalhin ng kanilang spirit. Sunset Lover doon, medyo nakakuha ng kakaunting HP. Meanwhile sa Ogwen naman, tamang box out lang dito, nakaready yung ejector. Pero pagka binigay mo yan sa inyong mga kampi, mabibigyan din. So Ogwen is down, pero may kapalit ba for the side of Falcons AP Bren? Turtle lang.
I think that was an even Steven trade kasi nga Turtle plus your one teammate unless gustong lumaban ng Falcons AP Bren. Ako po, Kyle TZ, ayan ka na naman. The man that you are now, you have to be coming in from Few as well. Pero kasi may lantern from Team Spirit. Pero anong gagawin ng lantern mo kung gagawin ka din naman yellow ng Falcons AP Bren? Meron tayo habol dito, Flap TZ picking up the kill. 3 and 9 on the board, Falcons AP Bren. They have a 4k gold lead.
Nako, parang ang hirap na mag-game 3 yung bias casting.
Napapaaga
Yung bias casting natin dito kasi yung Falcons AP Bren, grabe yung binibigay nilang dominating factor against the side of Team Spirit. 3-9 tayo ngayon ha. Tapos yung map control, nasa side pa rin ng Falcons AP Bren. At kung titingnan nga natin, tamang tulak na lang sila dito ng mga tore against the side of Team Spirit. 4K, around roughly 4K yung kalamangan ng Falcons AP Bren as of now. So medyo malaking bagay ito kasi 5 minutes pa lang ng game natin.
Exactly. Earth Shatter being used by Flap TZ. Meron tayo Conceal coming in from Team Spirit. Pero they have first dibs dito sa ating buff. That's gonna be the kill going over to Kyle TZ. Not looking so good kasi ang nakakuha ng bounty ng gold niya ay si One Shot. Could get 1 or 2 items para sa lead na yon. So habang tumatagal, Team Spirit, okay, nakakabawi naman sila. But for now, they have to face the inevitable fact na kailangan kalabanin ang mga ganto-ganto ng Falcons AP. But that's gonna be Ogre with the ejector. Pero syempre connecting onto the Zaman Force dito ni Super Marco. Plus pa dito ang coming in from Few with that beautiful frosty breeze. Talagang nanlamig ang kamay ng Team Spirit. With that Falcons AP Bren, they balloon the lead in further.
Nako, lumolobo na nga ang kalamangan dito ng Falcons AP Bren. Ang ganda nung naging sagot doon actually ng F-cap for that last sequence na yes, nakakuha dito yung side ng Team Spirit pero in exchange, may sagot kasi dito yung Falcons AP Bren. Doon sa may bot side, nakuha rin nila dito si Sunset Lover. Currently 1-4-2 sa KDA ha. Medyo lamang ngayon si El Capitan against the Sunset Lover pero that's gonna be the turtle secured by the Falcons AP Bren. So may pasok na din si Ogwen with that ejector pero may wild charge naman pala yun as the answer coming from Sawo. So ceasefire lang daw muna ulit.
Ceasefire, pero I think that was a panic flicker kasi 2 minutes wala tayong flicker wild charge. With that, Kyle TZ pa din ang nakuha dito. Kaso, ang namatay bigla si Kid Bomba, that was not a good attempt from this player. But that Falcons AP Bren, they are jumping in sa mukha ng Team Spirit dito. Kyle TZ with the Electro final blow. He is now CC immune kaya hindi siya makuha dito ng lantern ni Sunset Lover. Pero ngayon, Flat TZ the front line with that Edith. Napaka-tanky talaga. May pawalan coming in from Few. The kill does go over to Flap TZ and Super Marco. 2-0 thinger ng harit ng Falcons AP Bren with that Super Marco. With the shield, with all the sustain, gusto nilang kumuha ng isa pang mid lane turret.
Oo, parang yung side ng Falcons AP Bren, willing sila sa mga team fight na gusto din ng Team Spirit. And kung titignan natin dun sa last sequence, gusto rin ng Team Spirit na lumaban pero hindi nila kaya. Kasi ang laki na rin ng kalamangan ngayon ng FCAP, and with that, outer turrets depleted para sa ating Team Spirit. Meanwhile, may niluluto na naman ang Falcons AP Bren towards the top side. Inner turret successfully secured dito para sa FCAP.
So ngayon, medyo kumakalma na yung mga laban, di ba? From all of these team fights, nag-switch to macro play yung Falcons AP Bren. Kasi kung titignan mo, slightly tweaked lang yung draft nila from game 1. This is all about the siege. Kasi meron kang dalawang solid frontliner. You have Ogwen, you have Flap TZ, and you have Super Marco na alam naman natin, pag nag-Zaman Force ka near the turret, if you choose to do so, meron ka pang Synchro Fusion para lang mabilis yung mga turret takedowns. Now that will be, I'm not really sure bakit they're going all in kay Flap TZ. Napakakunat ng hero na to. That's gonna be the barrier being sent out as well. Kid Bomba down to 50% ng buhay niya. You have the Lantern Flare connecting onto one, pero mukhang walang follow-up. Flap TZ does get caught out, but Falcons AP Bren diffuse muna.
Diffuse muna ang call ng FCAP kasi may Lord na rin na paparating. Sino kaya makakasecure nito? Falcons AP Bren does have the advantage when it comes to map control over this Lord. Kaya naman na pwenestohan na rin yan ng ating FCAP. Currently, yung Team Spirit medyo alangan din kung susubukan nilang i-contest to kasi nakapwesto na rin yung FCAP. So, first Lord secured para dito sa ating FCAP. And now, the question is, what's gonna be the next move ng ating Team Spirit knowing na yung pressure na kung nanggagaling, umaapaw sa side ng Falcons AP Bren.
Man, tas hindi pa kumonekta yung Earth Shatter ni Flap TZ doon. Pero it's all of these little things na eventually nagbe-build up to something, right? Kung napapansin nyo, Team Spirit, they don't initiate fights anymore unless mga ganito. Alam ko na alam ni Ogwen na may nagtatago dyan. Naaamoy yan ng mga players natin. Guardians Barrier being sent out. Pero lumalapit na ngayon ang mga members ng Falcons AP Bren. Of course, si Flap TZ ang nauuna. But again, I'm not sure bakit yung mga makukunat yung kinukuha ng Team Spirit dito eh.
Oo, ang hirap din kasi talaga. I mean, Flap TZ, sa panahon ngayon, minamama niya na lang yung mga damage dealer dito ng Team Spirit. Yes, pwedeng may Flare Lantern, pero hold that thought. Super Marco magagamitin din ng Ugi Shadow Kill. Tumama naman sa kabilang banda yung SOD, pero wala pa ring further initiations coming from the side of Team Spirit kasi kailangan muna nilang dumepensa. Lord sa top side, tapos may minion wave flow pa sa may bandang gitna. So medyo mahirap ngayon para sa side ng Team Spirit. Kung ano nga ba ang kanilang magiging pasok, pero like the final blow papasok. Meanwhile, nagkabigayan na. Flap TZ is the first one to go down, pero may bawi naman sa side of Falcons AP Bren. One shot and Hiko. Naku, nabigyan na rin. And Kid Bomba against 3, a double this time kay Makmak. Ngayon si Zoa na lang and Sunset Lover ang natitira. Wala nga lang minion wave sa FK para matapos yung laro.
Kinabahan na ang panelists, umupo agad sa sofa, pero okay lang, hindi pa tapos ang game.
Wait lang.
That was a good trade. I think gaya ng sabi ni Oblivion dito, wala pang wave, but the wave is already making or marching its way dito sa loob ng base ng Team Spirit. Kill going over to few pass, meron tayo na-eject na isa dito. Sawa in the middle of everything. Hindi ka talaga makakagalaw dyan kasi bukod sa may Aurora, meron pa tayong Harit dito. Frozen connecting onto one. Naka-2K pa nga dito si Super Marco. Pagkabalik mo, 6 feet underground ka ulit. Pero syempre, Hiko down to the last part of his HP plus jump in dito kay Kid Bomba. Not enough kasi grabe ang damage output dito ng Falcons AP Bren. Focus lang sa base and with that, they bag game number 2.
Grabe yung game na yon. FCAP talaga yung gigil nila, nag-uumapa.
Para pagganahin. Compare sa lineup ng Falcons AP Bren, they got Tigreal, they got Arlott, and even Zushin. Sobrang dami ng ano nila, ng flexibility in terms of clash or sa laban mamaya.
That's true. Kaya nga na-worrisome gamitin na itong Beatrix. Kailangan kasi talaga, well, meron namang single target weapons, of course, Beatrix. But, kailangan kasi talaga yung focus lang like, hindi ko sinasabing 1-1 kasi probably out of meta si 1-1 ngayon. Pero ibang ang single target marksman talaga ang kailangan ng Team Spirit sa part na yan dahil nga na maraming
Falcons AP Bren again. This is the final day of Supernova MLBB tournament. Unang series pa lang to. We still have the grand finals later on. And we're gonna be your casters. I'm Yuko alongside Miss Oblivion. So Oblivion, talk to me through this. Ano nakikita mo sa mga draft ng two teams natin?
Medyo kakaiba to actually para sa side ng Team Spirit this game kasi may bago silang gold laner dito. Beatrix, this time yung napili nila, nagkahirapan din kasi talaga yung team sa pagkuha ng magandang gold laner. So, Team Spirit, naubusan sila ng choices dito. So, they opted to go for Beatrix this time. Meanwhile, para sa ng Falcons AP Bren, I think they got what they wanted para dito sa game na to. Still, they have the setup. We can see that coming from Ogwen. Pwede rin naman gagaling dito kay Flap TZ. So, ang daming options ng Falcons AP Bren.
Oh, speaking of options, mukhang ang unang pinili dito amongst the other options ay si Kid Bomba. That was first blood being secured, none other than Flap TZ on this R-lot. Pero syempre, let's jump in again from Hiko. Erener's Apathy already available dito, syempre. But I don't think kaya pang pumalag ng Benedetta this early on. Tamang amba lang siguro muna.
Ambahan on the early stages of the game. Pero for the last 2 games that we've had for this series, yung Falcons AP Bren, grabe yung aggressiveness sa mga early game natin. Especially yung mga first blood, talagang hindi pa rin sumasala dito yung panel natin sa paghula kung sino yung unang makaka-first blood. At laging Falcons AP Bren yun.
Gaya nga ng sabi ni Brokey, way back sa MPL THS13, I think up until week 6 or 7 ata yun, meron silang 100% first blood rate. Ganon ka-aggressive and ganon ka-well-timed lagi ang rotation nila pag early game. As we all know, critical or crucial talaga ang galaw pag early game. With that, we have Sawo, nakatingin lang kay Ogun. Not sure if he'll be popping in with the ejector or the missiles. He does go with the missiles, connecting onto one din dito. Does get stunned, pero syempre, meron pa tayong ultimate and zone out coming in from Few. Wala mo nang papalag. First turtle goes over to the Philippines.
Ang ganda rin actually ng pagkakazone at ng mga players doon. Pero teka lang, may implosion sa gitna. Sabay tulak sa may Torre. Meanwhile, Flicker will be forced out for Sawo at that time. So nakatakas lang doon sa yung Team Spirit. Pero Falcons AP Bren, ang ganda ng mga nakuha nilang trades doon against the side of Team Spirit.
Very worth it, ballooning yung kanilang gold lead further. I think later on magiging right on Few, almost 1K gold lead na din ang nakuha nila. And this is textbook MLBB. Para sa ating Kings of MLBB, as the international talents did dub ang Falcons AP Bren. They want to rotate as early as they can. Gusto nila mga pick-offs lang. Wala munang full-on team fight unless kalaban ang mag-initiate dito. Feeling ko nagpapakiramdaman silang lahat dyan eh. Nakita si Few. Ayun lang, that will be the Lantern Flare connecting onto one. Meron pa tayo konting knock-up here and there. Nakuha nga si Sawo dito. Cal TZ does get a kill. Siyempre, wala tayong ejector ngayon. Wala din tayong unstoppable force. 0-2 now on the board. Plus, immediately, kinlear nila ang mid lane wave.
Definitely, yun ang magiging plano doon ng Falcons AP Bren. But currently, off-cam kill. Few will be down. Pero the trades are fast for Falcons AP Bren as Hiko naman ang magiging sagot ng FCAP.
I think it's worth it kasi kahit frontliners, if you manage to take down yung one of the damage dealers ng Team Spirit. So, Falcons AP Bren, they take what they can. Pero dito naman, up top, Flap TZ, mukhang nilalapitan lagi ni Kid Bomba. Does smell out one shot as well. That's actually wielding yung Roger dito. I can't wait to see kung maganda ba maging combo niya. Pero ang maganda ang combo dito, I'll see Kyle TZ has the enhanced knock-up, enhanced sword as well. Tinan na lang natin kung kaya pa bang mag-ballooning further dito ng players natin.
Nako, it's looking like that as of now. Falcons AP Bren, talaga namang hindi pa rin tumitigil yung init ng kanilang laro for this series. I think tatama si Boss Santi dito sa Nostra niya kanina.
Oo nga,
maganda ang mga nagiging pangyayari dito. Pero sa ball force papasok, sabay tapo na nga lang si Ogwen. Pero sinakto doon sa 3 miyembro ng Team Spirit. Bagsak na nga din si Kid Bomba. Mukhang susunod pa yung ibang miyembro. Nurse Apathy hindi tatama. Double for Flap this time. At wala nang naging sagot yung Team Spirit. Umuwi na lang sila.
I think that was an overcommit for Team Spirit side. Hindi nila nakaalala na may implosion nga pala. There was a good Renner's Apathy coming in from Hiko. Pero may magandang palag naman dito ang Falcons AP Bren. Picking up another kill plus ang turtle natin dito. Super Marco, after clearing out yung minion wave sa mid lane, rotate na lang muna ulit habang si TZ Brothers, Flap at Kyle dito trying to duke it out against Kid Bomba. Remember, meron palang ultimate yan, does have got an Inferno, pero walang pakialam, okay lang naman. Does trade in for one. Team Spirit slowly recuperating sa loss nila, but 2 and 7 pa din on the board.
Oo, malayo-layo pa yung hahabulin dito ng Team Spirit natin. Though, ang ganda rin actually nung pick-off doon. Coming from the side of Team Spirit, Flapteasy is out. There's gonna be a shutdown for the side of Team Spirit. Pero kasi hindi pwedeng walang bawi yung Falcons AP Bren sa top side. Nako, Kid Bomba naman ang kanilang babawian ng buhay. Falcons AP Bren talagang hindi nila hinahayaan na makabawi basta-basta yung Team Spirit. Pero, nako, wards lang. Wards lang dito si Super Marco ng BMI niya dito. Talagang na-check lahat ng delicates na pwesto dito ng Team Spirit.
Players instinct talaga yung umiiral sa Falcons AP brand dito. And while you did mention Super Marco, mayroon na siyang Demon Hunter Sword. I think it's go time or let's begin na para sa full-on laban ng Falcons AP brand. But for now, wala muna nag-initiate. Ang nakikita ko din dito, they usually find yung location muna ni Hiko before they start anything. Kasi again, yung combo ng Beatrix na yan, it really hurts a lot. Meron pa tayong Bennett's Rage na magugulat ka na lang, uy, wala na akong buhay. Pero we did see Super Marco get caught out by Sawo there. Lantern being thrown out by Few as well. Pero wala pa namang full-on na pick-off. Pero baka meron ko rin sa ating mid lane. That's gonna be Aurora jumping in as well. Kyle Teasy taking so much damage. Meron tayong enhanced knock-up dito. Plus the Lantern coming in from Few. Pero backline, syempre, hinahabol ni Sawo dito. Nasa maling liga ka ata, aking kuya. Last pinakill going over to Few. At syempre, Blazing Duet coming in from Super Marco. Kahit may baril ka pa, that will still be the duel being won over by Super Marco and by Falcons AP Bren 1-3 trade.
Grabe yung ginawa doon ni Makmak. Talagang sinabayan niya yung Nibiru's Passion ng mga normalings lang. Pero siya pa rin yung nakakuha ng kill. 3-1 exchange. Falcons AP Bren talagang gustong tapusin ng malinis itong Team Spirit natin. Turtle secure dito para sa side ng FCAP ngayon. Tingnan natin kung ano ang kanila magiging next moves. Ogwen has been doing quite well sa mga setups dito. I'm looking forward for more on the next minutes of this game.
Ayun na naman. May nailawan na naman si Few dito. Now you have a Sunset Lover popping in with the Frigid Glacier. Kaso wala silang na-secure na kill doon. Now Falcons AP Bren. Sasabihin ko sana kakalmahan lang, kaso nag-Blazing Duet. Papasok si Super Marco. Gets one. Wala muna si Sawo. And they also managed to get yung buff. Kung mapapansin mo din, out of 12 kills, kalahati doon si Ogwen because of yung capability ng kanyang implosion. And looking at the side ng Team Spirit, they have 3 kills.
Yeah.
One going over kay Few, which is given. Backline siya yung lagi hinahabol. Tapos Flapteasy, Arlot, final slash. Ina-expect mo talaga na siya yung mauuna. All in all, yung damage dealers, Super Marco and Kyle TZ, safe talaga sila. Kaya ganito na lang bigla umamba yung TZ natin, tsaka si Super Marco.
Pero grabe na rin kasi yung confidence dito ni Super Marco. Nakita natin kanina, pinasok under the turret. Yung mga miyembro ng Team Spirit sabay Blazing Duet lang sa mukha. Ngayon, mapipilitang dumepensa muna ulit yung side ng Team Spirit. Tingnan natin, Falcons AP Bren are doing a great job on firing on all cylinders. Yung bot, yung mid, sunod probably top lane naman na inner turret yung tatanggalin dito ng FCAP.
Alam mo, at some point naawa ko kay One Shot. Kasi pag Roger ka, you want to use the Lycan Pounce, tsaka dito yung Bloodthirsty Howl. But he can't kasi na-out-damage siya ng mga key damage dealers dito ng Falcons AP Bren. Implosion, papasok, connecting onto the enhance! Nakapag, syempre, that's gonna be the Green Knight coming from Falcons AP Bren. Wala si One Shot dito. Sunset Lover po mga lawa. At mukhang yung other members, Flapteasy even, spear to spear, neck to neck, at teeth to teeth. That's gonna be the victory going over to Falcons AP Bren. 3-0 trade.
Walang naging sagot ang Team Spirit sa pagkakataon na yon at nagkalabasan na. Men, kahapon ito rin yung napanood natin. Si Maniac yung nakita natin dito ngayon. Parang buong Team Spirit yung tinitipihan ng FCAP. Ngayon, mapapabagsak ang middle lane turret.
Ang galing ni Hiko, tinarget niya yung Falcons AP Bren, hindi tumama yung bala. Ganyan na ganyan ako mag-Benedetta pag hindi ako nakatingin sa cellphone ko. But of course, almost 10 minutes in, again, lead favoring Falcons AP Bren. Kahit alam natin na kailangan mag-defense ng Team Spirit, objectively speaking, you would want to get a pick-off. Kaso, Kid Bomba, he is not using Terizla. Instead, ginagamit niya thumbs. What do you do pag may thumbs ka? You pop Cotran Inferno for sustain at syempre papasok ka. But then again, pagpasok mo, may enhanced knock-up coming in from Kyle TZ. Tapos may baka ma-blazing duet ka pa. Even if you do force all of these key ultimates, baka ikaw patata yung madelikado dito. Jumping in, Kid Bomb, ako po. Lord does get taken down, pero hinila siya dito ni El Capitan. Was able to jump away though, surviving by the skin of his teeth. But Falcons AP Bren, soaring high. They are still holding their ground sa base ng kalaban. Akala mo base nila, no?
Talagang doon na sila tumambay ng maigi, and ngayon, wala nang mga toring dedepensa para side ng Team Spirit. Final slash will not connect that time at mukhang mapipilitang dumepensa ng depensa lang muna. Depensang Marino para sa side ng Team Spirit. Meanwhile, Falcons AP Bren, hindi nila binibigyan ng breathing space. Talagang tinatao-tao nila mismo sa base ng Team Spirit.
They are waiting sa kanilang last wave. Most likely, Flappy jumping in plus the Lantern going over to Cal TZ. Nakatukay pa pala dito. Pero ako syempre, Owen does get frozen. Pero okay lang. Kasi nakafocus sa base. Si Flappy TZ, hindi lumalaban. Tumitipi lang. Pero si Super Marco with the blazing duet. They get 4 kills. They get the victory. Actually, they get the wipeout. And they get the series 3-0. Falcons AP Bren advancing sa ating Grand Finals.
And